train.
On the train.
Yeah.
It's a New York City boat.
Oh shit.
Fuck off, Paul.
We got 2 weeks from now to avenge yourselves. Pump your weights.
It's good.
Make that cardio up.
I don't hear you. I don't hear you no
Avenge
more.
challenge in 2 weeks.
I don't hear you.
You a bitch.
I don't give a shit, nigga. Suck my dick.
Fuck you.
Go to the boat.
Suck my dick.
You know what we doing tomorrow?
I can't hear what you're saying.
Waking up.
Yo, we need to hit the loud to get fucking drunk every day.
Yeah.
What you said, nigga?
I said we need to hit the loud to get drunk every day.
We need to hit the lounge, what?
Louder to get drunk every day.
Word, nigga.
Yo,
Yo, we sit
to
down
have
on
like this every
nigga.
day.
Except for the sleeping part.
Except
And my flippin' floppers.
I'm gonna get a boat. So see, I'm on a
I'm on the
boat.
boat.
Higher T-Pain.
And then when we get on the boat, same shit's gonna happen. Y'all, you, Otto, and Jay gonna be sitting at the table. Alright, who's the third person we gonna bring?
Yeah, Paul. We leave Jerry in the fucking engine room. Right, Jerry?
Play monster. No.
Tablet.
In his own little world.
This nigga Jerry.
Fabulous.
You know, be like, the fucking helicopter flying low.
Word. Jay's gonna be like, hey, what's up, guys?
On stage.
Oh man.
I'm fucking glad you went flying this out. I didn't get stuck on.
Nah, some guy found them.
Moreno.
Yeah. I was looking for them. I pushed them back. I was like, yo,
Nigga, they back up, nigga.
What you talking about?
When we celebrated, my
yeah, when I
glasses blew
celebrated, I threw my hands up. And it hit
up. Like I get the end. I was like, oh shit.
I was like, fuck, I'm blind. I feel like Velma for a second.
I was about to use my phone, but I was like, that's not gonna help. So I just keep up. I was like, go find them, maybe.
Nah, fucking chasing by me in the news.
I'm like, Chase, I'm blind. Fuck the boat.
Woo.